Hey guys, welcome back to Learn Gujarati. Our today's topic is based on some important banking words. So first we'll understand words and in next video we will see some phrases, some sentences. Bank. So again in Gujarati also we usually say bank only. So this understand one thing, couple of words which we are speaking in Gujarati, that will be Gujarati word, but if some words which we are only speaking in English, we'll keep it. I will advise you that as well. For account again we say khatu. Okay, for account we say khatu. Yes, and if you want to say account directly, that will be also work. Savings account. Savings account. Now meaning of savings in Gujarati we say bachat. We say bachat. Okay, and again for account we say khatu. For account again we say khatu, which means savings account in Gujarati we say bachat khatu. Bachat khatu, bachat khatu. Next one is current account. For current account in Gujarati we say ચાલુ ખાતું. ચાલુ ખાતું. Current in Gujarati we say ચાલુ. Okay, for current in Gujarati we say ચાલુ. Okay, ચાલુ. And again for account in Gujarati we say ખાતું. Okay, for current account in Gujarati we say ચાલુ ખાતું. Balance. For balance in Gujarati we say silak. Silak. Okay, silak. And you can say balance also. So like mostly people here in Gujarati, couple of words as I said, they are using English words only. But for your understanding, I am giving you those words which are important and useful. For balance we say silak. Okay, silak. Silak. Money we say paisa. Okay, in Gujarati.
To watch the full video, find the link in the description box.